Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com. Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Yamamoto. Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Pronunciation Guide. In this series, you'll master Japanese pronunciation. Proper pronunciation is essential for being understood, and in this series, you'll learn it in a fast, accessible, and comprehensive way. In this lesson, you'll learn 2 keys to mastering Japanese pronunciation. First, Japanese pronunciation is comparatively easy. Japanese has only 5 vowel and 14 consonant sounds. Almost all Japanese syllables are made up of one of these consonants and one of these vowels, but the 5 vowels also appear individually. Take a look at the chart. Each character, or kana, represents 1 syllable. The characters in the right column represent a vowel sound only. In the top row of this chart, the characters represent consonant sounds. By combining these, you can form most Japanese syllables. For example, look at the consonant K row. Consonant K sound plus the vowel a becomes ka. Consonant K sound plus the vowel I becomes ki. Consonant K sound plus the vowel u becomes ku. The consonant M row follows the same pattern. Consonant M sound plus the vowel e becomes me. Consonant M sound plus the vowel o becomes mo. Again, each syllable on the kana chart is a combination of a consonant and a vowel. The main exceptions are the 5 vowel group and the special sound. Let's hear how some Japanese words are pronounced. The first example is a common Japanese surname, Tanaka. Ta-na-ka. It's made up of 3 syllables, ta-na-ka. Each syllable consists of 1 consonant and 1 vowel. Another common surname in Japanese is Nakata. Na-ka-ta. The pronunciation of these 3 kana are the same as in Tanaka, just the order has changed. With a few notable exceptions, you can properly pronounce Japanese simply by reading hiragana or katakana, the 2 Japanese alphabets. Remember this tip, and it will help you throughout your studies. Now, the second key point is, each syllable in Japanese is pronounced for the same length of time with equal stress. For example, when you say America in English, you put stress on me and say it for longer than the other parts, America. The word America in Japanese has 4 syllables, and you say each syllable for the same length of time. America. Pronounce it like this to sound like a native Japanese speaker. Another example. How do you say this word in English? You would say karaoke, but in Japanese, you say karaoke. Remember that each syllable in Japanese is pronounced for the same length of time and gets equal stress. Now to close the lesson, here's the question for you. Why should you, including advanced speakers, spend time on learning proper pronunciation? The answer: you will be understood, and this will build confidence when you're speaking. Also, speaking with proper pronunciation is always impressive. For beginners, you're on the path to perfect pronunciation. And for the advanced students, this is a chance to perfect your pronunciation. Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Yamamoto. Welcome back to the Ultimate Japanese Pronunciation Guide. In this lesson, you'll learn the top 5 Japanese pronunciation mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Shortening long vowels. Saying Japanese long vowels correctly is an issue of timing. You can use claps to measure time from syllable to syllable. For example, the Japanese word for grandmother exemplifies the long vowel in Japanese. Listen closely for it. おばあさん The a in ba is held for 2 claps. Oba-san. Japanese learners often shorten the long vowel in ba and say oba-san, meaning aunt, not grandmother. In this case, not only is the pronunciation incorrect, but by shortening the vowel, you change the meaning of the word. Hear the difference again. Oba-san, grandmother. Oba-san, oba-san. Oba-san, aunt. Oba-san, oba-san. This is an important but not critical topic for early learners. You'll learn more in Lesson 8. Number 2. Pronouncing loan words with an English accent. Do you know this Japanese word in English? Computer. It means computer. What about hamburger? It's hamburger. These words were imported into Japanese. So while their pronunciation is close to the original English word, you need to learn how to pronounce them correctly in Japanese, or you won't be understood. You don't say hamburger kudasai, hamburger please. Instead, you say hamburger kudasai. Again, hamburger kudasai. Number 3. Overstressing syllables when speaking Japanese. How do you say this sentence? I like sushi. Pay attention to the stresses. If you read the Japanese sentence stressing syllables as you would in English, it would sound like this. Watashi wa sushi ga suki desu, meaning I like sushi. Speaking in this way sounds very unnatural in Japanese. Remember, Japanese doesn't have stress. Let's read the sentence again without stress. Watashi wa sushi ga suki desu. Did you notice the difference? In this series, you have many chances to repeat examples after me. Please listen carefully and pronounce Japanese words without stress. Number 4. Pronouncing the R sounds incorrectly. Try to read this Japanese word out loud. Kirei, beautiful. Kirei, kirei. Did you pronounce de correctly? English native speakers often pronounce it like the R sound in English and say kirei. You should lightly tap the roof of your mouth with the tongue, but don't roll it. It's closer to an L in English. Listen carefully. La, li, ru, re, ro. We'll tackle this in Lesson 5. Number 5. Removing unnecessary pause. Remember the issue with Japanese long vowels? It's a timing issue, so you should use claps to measure time. To achieve the necessary pause in Japanese, the speaker pauses for 1 clap in between the syllables. This is best illustrated with an example. How about these words? Hitte, stamp. Hitte, hitte. Did you notice that there is a pause in the middle? The pause needs to take 1 clap. Hitte. Let's hear another word. Kakko, parenthesis. Kakko, kakko. Again, the pause need to take 1 clap. Kakko. But Japanese learners often omit the pause. In both of these cases, not only is the pronunciation incorrect, but the meaning of the words changes. Kite without the pause means please come, and kakko without the pause means past. You'll learn more about this sound in Lesson 9. Here's a bonus one. It's ignoring pitch accent. Japanese has many words with the same spelling but different meanings. But there's a way to differentiate these words. Pitch accent, the intonation used when pronouncing the word, for example. If you say hashi, it means chopsticks. But if you say hashi, it means bridge. Let's hear the difference again. Hashi, chopsticks. Hashi, bridge. In Japanese, each syllable is basically pronounced with a high or low pitch. And each Japanese word has its own pitch accent pattern. This is important to understand. We will teach you the secrets of Japanese pitch accent in Lesson 10. Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Yamamoto. Welcome back to the Ultimate Japanese Pronunciation Guide. In this lesson, you'll master perfect pronunciation of the 5 Japanese vowels. There are 5 vowels in Japanese, and their pronunciation doesn't change. The first vowel is a. Open your mouth a little, relax the tongue and say a. Repeat after me. A. 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 The next vowel is I. Open the mouth, bring the lips up slightly, and raise the tongue and say I. Here's a tip. It's like the I in meat, but shorter. I. Raise your tongue almost to the roof of your mouth. Repeat after me. I. 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 The next vowel is U. Purse the lips as if you're going to whistle or say the word who. Like this, U. Try it. Release a short U sound. U. The lips are more relaxed with the Japanese U sound than the English oo. Compare Japanese U with English oo. Repeat after me. U. 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 The next vowel is E. Open the mouth. Raise the lips up from their natural relaxed position as if you're about to start smiling. And release the sound saying E. Repeat after me. E. 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 The final vowel is O. Think of the perfect circle of an orange. Round the lips as if you're surprised and release a round Japanese O. Repeat after me. O. 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 Congratulations! You've learned the 5 Japanese vowels. There are many Japanese words made up of vowels alone. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Ao, blue. Ao, ao. Ao. Ie, house. Ie, ie. Ie. Ue, up. Ue, ue. Ue. Japanese vowels may seem simple, but mastering them is a crucial first step. Almost every syllable from here is formed on the basis of these vowels. Try practicing each one in a mirror. Perfect these sounds because in the next lesson, you'll master the first set of consonants. Was seeing the pronunciation illustrations helpful? Please comment and share your thoughts. See you in the next Ultimate Japanese Pronunciation Guide lesson.